Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Yoast SEO Premium settings, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Yoast SEO Premium settings, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu. In the Plugins section, locate the Yoast SEO Premium plugin. Click on the Deactivate link right below the plugin name. This will disable the plugin without deleting its settings from your site. Next, go to the SEO menu item on the left-hand sidebar. From the drop-down, select Premium. You will be directed to the Yoast Premium settings page. To remove the settings, scroll down and click on the Reset option. Confirm that you want to reset the settings by clicking Reset in the pop-up dialog. Now that you have reset the Yoast SEO settings, you can uninstall the plugin if desired. Return to the Plugins section. Find Yoast SEO Premium again in the list of installed plugins. Click on the Delete link to remove the plugin from your site completely. You will be prompted to confirm the deletion. After confirming, the plugin and all its associated settings will be removed. To ensure all remnants of the plugin are gone, check your database for any leftover entries. Use a WordPress database management tool like PHPMyAdmin for this step. Search the database for any tables or options related to Yoast. Delete any remaining entries related to the Yoast SEO Premium plugin. Once you have confirmed everything is removed, clear your site cache. Finally, visit your website to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Your Yoast SEO Premium plugin and its settings should now be completely uninstalled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.